Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Alpha 1 Gen 2 is probably one of the most crucial components for anyone who owns a marine vessel. This kit is essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your drive system, ensuring smooth operation and preventing potential damage. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Alpha 1 Gen 2 Bellows Kit, discussing its importance, and what you need to know. Number 5. MerCruiser Alpha 1 Gen 2 Bellows Kit. This kit is designed for MerCruiser Alpha 1 Gen 2 stern drives. It's essential for maintaining the integrity of your boat's engine system, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently. Specifically, this kit fits MerCruiser Alpha 1 Gen 2 models from 1991 to 2002, with serial numbers 0D469859 and up. Make sure it's compatible with your model before installation. This kit replaces several part numbers, including MerCruiser 30-803099T1, Sierra 18-8206, and others. This makes it a convenient and comprehensive solution for your maintenance needs. The package includes essential components like the exhaust bellows, shift cable bellows, and drive bellows. It also contains a gimbal bearing, gaskets, and hoses, providing everything you need for a complete replacement. Regular replacement of the bellows helps prevent water from entering the engine. This protects the engine from damage and ensures the longevity of your boat's performance. What we like. This kit offers a complete solution, including all necessary components for a full transom seal overhaul. It replaces multiple parts, ensuring a thorough repair. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit to address all potential points of failure and prevent water damage, you should consider this one. What people say. Heavy-duty material, fast shipping, worked great, good fit. Worked well. The rubber was very pliable, the worm clamp did not strip. Number 4. CM-YiheoZux fits MerCruiser Alpha 1 Gen 2 kit. This kit is designed for MerCruiser Alpha 1 Gen 2 models. It includes all the necessary components for a complete repair. It ensures a reliable and long-lasting performance. This kit is a direct replacement for several part numbers, including MerCruiser 30-803099T1 and Sierra 18-8206-1. You can trust this kit to meet or exceed the original equipment specifications. It is a reliable solution for your boat's maintenance needs. The kit contains a U-joint bellow, exhaust bellow, shift cable bellow, and gimbal bearing. It also includes an outdrive mounting gasket and O-rings. Everything needed for a comprehensive repair is included. This kit is specifically designed for MerCruiser Alpha 1 Gen 2 models from 1991 and up. It is compatible with serial numbers 0D469859 and up. Make sure it fits your specific model. The bellows are made of CR neoprene, and the clips and clamps are stainless steel. The gaskets and O-rings are marine engine grade. This ensures the product's durability and resistance to harsh marine environments. What we like. This kit utilizes marine-grade materials for durability and longevity. It includes all essential components for a reliable seal. If you prioritize quality and need a kit that is built to last in harsh marine environments, this is the one for you. What people say. Good quality hoses and gasket. Arrived quickly and fit good, no issues, installed on 1992 MerCruiser Alpha 1. Everything worked as required. Number 3. Quicksilver 803099T1 Stern Drive Repair Kit. This is the Quicksilver 803099T1 Stern Drive Transom Seal Repair Kit. It's designed to replace essential components. This kit helps seal the opening in the transom for stern drives. The kit includes hoses, seals, gaskets, bellows, and hose clamps. It provides everything needed for a comprehensive repair. This ensures a secure and watertight seal for your stern drive. This kit is specifically designed for MerCruiser Alpha 1 and Gen 2 stern drives. Make sure it fits your specific model. Check your owner's manual for compatibility. The kit is designed for easy replacement of worn-out parts. Following the instructions in your manual is important. This will help you get your stern drive back in top condition. Refer to your owner's or service manual for detailed instructions. The manual will guide you through the replacement process. This ensures a proper and effective repair. What we like. This kit is designed to seal the openings in your stern drive. It includes all the necessary parts for a complete replacement. If you are looking for a straightforward solution to seal your transom and ensure the integrity of your stern drive, this is a great choice. What people say. Kit comes with everything and is good quality. The bearing is a Permalube style and the kit came with the plug to replace the old grease fitting. The water hose is pre-bent, which is nice for install. Number 2. MerCruiser Alpha 1 Gen 2 Bellows Kit. This kit is designed for MerCruiser Alpha 1 Gen 2 stern drive engines. It includes everything you need for a comprehensive transom service. This will ensure your engine runs smoothly. This kit is specifically designed for MerCruiser Alpha 1 Gen 2 models. It's a direct replacement for part number 30-803099T1. Make sure it fits your engine before purchase. The kit contains a U-joint bellow, exhaust bellow, shift cable bellow, a gasket kit, a 3/4 water hose, and a gimbal bearing. These components are essential for maintaining your engine's performance. This kit replaces MerCruiser part number 30-803099T1 and Mallory 9 to 72904. Using this kit will restore your engine's functionality. This is a reliable replacement option. If you're unsure if this part fits your engine, please contact us. Send us your engine model, and we'll gladly assist you. We are here to help you get the right part. What we like. This kit includes a gimbal bearing, a critical component for stern drive performance. It provides a complete solution for your transom service needs. If you are looking for a kit that includes the gimbal bearing for a more comprehensive service, you should consider this one. What people say. Worked get and it has lasted a while so far. Did the job. All parts were correct and seemed to be good quality. Great parts. Number 1. Quicksilver 816431A1 U-joint bellows. This is the Quicksilver U-joint bellows. It's designed to keep water out of your engine's bell housing. This will help protect your engine from damage. The bellows is made of a flexible, ribbed composite material. This allows it to move and flex as needed. It's built to last and withstand the harsh marine environment. The kit includes hose clamps for both ends. This makes installation easy and ensures a secure fit. Everything you need is included. Installation is simple and can be done with common tools. You don't need any special equipment. It's a straightforward process. This bellows is designed for MerCruiser Alpha 1 Gen 2, 1991 and newer, and CM-YiheoZux stern drives. Make sure it fits your specific model before installation. What we like. This bellows is specifically designed to keep water out of your bell housing. It is easy to install with common tools. If you like a simple and effective solution to protect your engine from water damage, you should consider this one. What people say. Perfect fit and quality. Fit my Alpha 1 Gen 2 gimbal housings perfectly. This U-joint bellow is the exact fit for a MerCruiser Alpha 1 Gen 2. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.